Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On this episode, we'll be talking about the 33% rule. We've been talking a lot about techniques and stock picks, but I think mindset is one that's very important as well. Although there isn't one guaranteed formula to success, there's certain steps and measures and strategies and mindsets that you can do to help you get to where you want. The 33% rule is one of those techniques, and it's very simple. The 33% rule talks a lot about time efficiency and how you want to be spending your time to give you the best chance for success. The rule goes like this: 33% of your time should be spent with peers or colleagues that are lower than you. This is not a negative thing, it's just that they don't have as much experience as you in a certain topic. For example, if you've been actively investing in the market, then you most likely know how the stock market works. Things such as when the market opens, types of orders to fulfill, some of the great stock picks, the differences between stocks and ETFs and funds, and all those type of things. While this is now basic knowledge to you because you've been doing it for a while, the average beginning investor may not know this. They could be seen as someone that's lower than you in terms of knowledge and experience. The second 33% of your time should be spent with peers that are at the same level as you. And finally, the last 33% should be spent with people that are higher than you. These are mentors or people that you look up to, people that have gained the success and experience that you want to achieve. This is probably one of the hardest things to do, because it's not easy to find these people. Let's back up. Why do these three 33% portions matter? The first 33%, or spending time with peers that are lower than you, matter because you're mentoring people. This is great because, as you know, the best way to learn and to really understand a subject is to teach. Spending time with peers lower than you allows you to do just this. By teaching them, you can broaden your knowledge and your communication of the topic you're speaking about. It's also a great feeling to help people out. Second, the middle 33% is time that you're spending with peers. This is great because you can bounce ideas off them and help to motivate each other. Because you're all on the same level, you can talk about topics and know that they'll understand what you're talking about. For YouTube, for example, I meet with a group of people that have started their channel just as I have. We're all basically on the same journey to grow our channel, and it's great to bounce ideas off of them. We talk about many things such as metrics, SEO, topics, publishing times and dates, and many other things. By having a peer group, it's a great way to stay consistent, keep yourself accountable, and keep progressing towards your journey and success. And finally, the last 33% is great because they'll give you tips and tricks and stories or lessons that they've went through to get you where they are. If you're learning to grow your portfolio in the stock market, then you should talk to people that have been in the stock market for a long time. If you're looking to grow your YouTube channel, then you should talk to people that have grown their channel to a substantial amount. If you want to one day reach 1 million subscribers, then talk to someone that has 10 million subscribers. See what they did, see the lessons they've learned, and how you can start implementing those along your way. As always, with all the videos I do, I like to give you guys action items so you can take something away and start implementing it today. So for peers that are younger than you, what you should do is talk to people. There's more than likely people that are in your life that want to do some of the things that you're already doing, such as stock market investing. I know so many people that want to get started investing, but they just don't know where to start and they don't know how the market works. Reach out to them, tell them you can spend an hour or two with them each week and talk to them about the market and teach them different ideas and concepts. That's a great way to start mentoring someone as well. For peers that are at the same level as you, one action item you could do is join groups. There's many groups out there such as meetup.com, Facebook groups, Reddit groups. There's a lot of places out there to talk to like-minded people. Another great community is YouTube. By commenting, subscribing, and liking a lot of videos, you can engage with the YouTube community and start to build your network. On that note, if you've liked the content so far, then go ahead and smash the like button down below, letting the YouTube algorithm know that you enjoy the content we produce. Alright, and for the last 33% of your time, where you'll be spending time with people that have achieved the goals that you want to achieve, or people that are quote-unquote above you, how do you get access to these people? One way is through books. A lot of people that have gained great success have written books and have talked greatly about their journey. And most books usually have anecdotes or stories that the author shares with the reader regarding lessons learned on their journey to success. If you're not into reading, then another good alternative is audiobooks. Audible is a great place to start. Some other ideas for getting access to mentors could be joining their Patreon page, listening to TED Talks, buying one of their courses, or even trying to connect with them through Twitter. Twitter is a very easy place to engage with a lot of people. It's different than Instagram because Instagram's more of a photo sharing app or video sharing app. Twitter is different than Instagram because it's basically short form content, and there's a lot of active people on Twitter. In most of the news, you'll see a lot of these news articles referencing tweets that a lot of people have made, such as the president. Now that you know the 33% rule, I hope you guys can start implementing this because, as you know, all these videos, all these tips, all these mindsets won't work unless you start and take action. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you'd like to connect with me on other social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, I'll leave links in the description down below so you can reach out to me. As always, thanks again for your support. We really appreciate the time that you take when you watch our videos. Thanks for watching guys. Let me know if this is something that you're going to implement. Do you have any other rules that you follow? I know the 80-20 rule is another popular rule for time and productivity. Thanks again guys, and I'll see you on the next video.